Hi, Assalamualaikum. Our group will be present about Proposol Defence presentation. Our supervisor is Sir Muhammad Nuruddin binti Abu Sa'are and group member Siti Nurhafzah binti Asli, Amirah Ashikin binti Afandi, Muhammad Irfan bin Mak Yusof and Nur Khairah binti Muhammad Fauzi. Project title: Nutrition Analysis of Low-Fat Snack from Brazil Spinach.
Next, we will go through to project overview. The project that we are going to run is from Alternativa CC, which is Brazilian spinach. Therefore, the goal of this project is to develop and produce nutritional analysis of low-fat snack made from Alternativa CC Brazilian spinach that can be used in the food industry, thereby assisting the community in preventing obesity and improving the bad habit of eating unhealthy snacks because these low-fat snacks contain good nutrient content. Next, we innovate low-fat snack Brazilian spinach product to be a healthy and balanced in terms of stevia and spice percentage content. There are 4 different formulations are developed. First, Alternativa CC puffed snack with spice. Second, Alternativa CC puffed snack with stevia. Third, Alternativa CC puffed snack with 2.4% spice and 1.0% stevia. And lastly, Alternativa CC puffed snack with 1.0% spice and 2.4% stevia. And we use 5 methods of the product development process, which is first, preconditioning, second, extraction, third, flavoring, fourth, spraying, and fifth, drying.
Next, the schedule review research about the product description is puff corn or puff snack. Okay, puff corn is commonly known as a ready-to-eat functional breakfast carrier or an extruded functional snack. So some puff corn is made with rice, wheat flour, or other grain. So to the health benefit, there has been increased interesting development functional food product containing cheer. So extraction has been shown to be an effective method for incorporation of the functional ingredient into the food product. So Alternativa CC or Brazil spinach has a nutrient content per 100 gram of spinach that contain B-carotene, vitamin C, ferrum, calcium, and fiber. This is to ideal for health. So this Brazil spinach is the best choice among vegetables to control cholesterol. The leaves are crunch, slightly more soft than the parent Kilimat spinach and not lime that other spinach. Okay, we move to problem statement. Problem statement we get social, economic, and environment. For social, big eating habit that is the intake of snack food, especially adults and children, which can lead to obesity and diabetes. So yeah, based on survey conducted by the World Health Organization in 2010, Malaysia was rated as the 6th country in ASEAN which having the high obesity rate among the community. So another factor that caused obesity other than lack of physical activity was poor diet. So such as consuming unhealthy fast food or snack food which contain a high amount of sugar and fat. For economy, the weightage of Brazil spinach cropped by farmers do not carrying for vegetable properly. Here, Malaysia has contributed about 80% of fruit and vegetable waste in food and beverage industry due to COVID-19 pandemic on 2020. The expenditure of waste management was about RM 7 million per year.
So the last point for problem statement is environment. The weightage of antenna-season vegetable cropped by farmer cause environment problem. Why? Research for article in 2012, Malaysia has recorded the high percentage of waste about 21% to 45%, where food waste was listed among the main causes that contribute to the emission of greenhouse gas. This is caused by the dumping of unused food or vegetable part in food production, which eventually release methane gas that can lead to the climate change.
Next is the significance of project. In our significance of project, we focusing on three aspects, which is social, economy, and environment. First, in society aspect, we providing healthy snack is to reduce the risk of obesity among the community. Second, for the economic aspect, we maximizing the use of Brazilian spinach in the snack product that can reduce and save the cost on managing the vegetable waste. Then, in environment aspect, by producing the vegetable waste will be a good way on reducing greenhouse effect for a long-term effect.
Okay, next, objective of our project. First, to formulate low-fat snacks from Brazilian spinach. Second, to compare nutritional value of snack produced by industry and homemade snack based on Food Act 1983. And lastly, to develop healthier food products in the form of snacks to the community.
Okay, next, in innovation aspect, the development of product is an innovative way of taking advantage of the health benefit of Brazilian spinach in a form of quick snack or puff snack that will be easier to consume by the consumer. Then, Brazilian spinach also rich with nutrients such as vitamin C, fiber and calcium, which can be a balanced diet for the consumer.
Okay. For the overall flow process, firstly, preparation of raw material. Basically, in this stage, the ingredient must be in powder state. The second is dough preparation and mixing process. After that, we put the all ingredient to the extruder machine for the extrusion process. It will be led for the trimming at 150 degrees Celsius, and the ratio time is 150. For the next process is spraying with at 191 degrees Celsius. The next step is frying. After that, with seasoning the sample, and after we seasoning the sample, sample must be drying at the 4% moisture content. After that, we use formulation for our product, and we use the proximate analysis, which is protein analysis, fat analysis, ash content analysis, and then the last one is moisture content. For the sensory evaluation, we use hedonic test, and then we use the color determination and texture analyzer.
We move to citation method. The method of citation we get from junior and practical. Most of the junior results, we found most of the junior write by Susanna Lisa. They work about moisture content, fat content analysis, kerja analysis, and hash analysis.
While the journal result from other author was texture analysis by John Shi and color determination by Carlos Brennan.
Okay, now let's move to the purpose of each test. First, the purpose of moisture content analysis by using moisture analyzer is to analyze the total moisture content of perfect snack. Second, protein analysis using Jordan method is to analyze the total protein content of perfect snack. Third, fat content analysis using saltner extraction is to analyze the total crude fat content of perfect snack. And fourth, ash content analysis using furnace oven is to determine the amount and type of minerals in perfect snack.
Next, to determine the texture of puff snack, texture analyzer is used as a source of ultimate objective quantification, or whether the food is more crispy, firm, or sticky. Then the chromometer is used in the color determination test to determine a product's color consistency and accuracy. Last but not least, sensory evaluation tests also need to be run to analyze and interpret the reaction of people to product as perceived by the sense.
Okay, following that, for the expectation result of this product, we will emphasize the nutrition information of the Brazilian spinach perfect snack that will be made. As can be seen, the nutrition fact is based on a serving size of 100 grams, which contains 400 kilocalories of energy, 62.7 grams of carbs, 7.5 grams of protein, 3 grams of fat, and 350 milligrams of sodium.
For the conclusion, this project was developed to produce a nutritional snack, especially focused on low-fat content by using extrusion method with various formulation. The second is proximate analysis also conducted to determine the nutritional content in Alternanthera sisu buffer snack. The last one is sensory evaluation is carried out for assess the acceptability of Alternanthera sisu buffer snack towards panelists, consists of aroma, appearance, taste and texture.